What's up, guys? Welcome back to Governing Thoughts, the channel that gives you thoughts to govern your mind in order to set you up for success. All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about the crypto total market cap excluding the top 10. And we're looking at the dominance. So this is the dominance of every crypto in the market, excluding the top 10, excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, stable coins, whatever is up there in the top 10, guys. So this is the dominance of the true altcoins. Because on the top 10, we got the big movers, we got the Ethereums, the Cardanos, the XRPs, which don't really define or identify the altcoins in the market. And so for that reason, we're going to be looking at the dominance of every crypto in the market within the top 10. All right, so here on my screen, what you can see is the chart starting way back from 2016 up until right now, which is we're in March 4th right now, I believe is the date. Yes, we are March 4th. And what you can see here, you got a bunch of lines with a bunch of different colors extending beyond the date of today. Well, the reason we have this is because what we're doing today is we're going to be looking at Elliott waves for this chart starting from 2016 all the way until now. And you'll see that each bull run, actually, crazy enough, from the bear market up until the next bear market, what we see is an Elliott wave playing out from start to finish. So here in the 2017 bull run, we got wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then we drop down, excuse me, to the bottom of the bear market in 2019. And here we restart our Elliott wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to go into more detail, like showing you exactly how it is that these work out. And I'm going to do this right now. And then we dropped back to the bottom of the bear market, 2023. And now, as you can see, we're kind of starting up on a new leg up, which would be the first Elliott wave for this bull run, right? And this time it's different, though, because we're paying attention, close attention to Bitcoin to see if it breaks its previous all-time high. Right now, we're sitting at $68,000. The previous all-time high was 69. So this moment is very definitive. If we don't break the all-time high and keep trending sideways or even pull back, it gives us a chance to have this run here, but then pull back. But if we break the all-time high, the last time we broke out the all-time high, which was in 2020, the dominance of the altcoins, excluding the top 10, they blew past their all-time high as well. And then that was the bull run, guys. And so, I mean, we're always hoping for Bitcoin to go higher. But if we want this to play out the way it is, and if it does, it'll make it easier for us to predict the market and allocate our bets based on this. So it's more favorable if we stick to this pattern. If we don't, well, my guess is as good as anybody's, right? So if we go back here, I'm going to show you exactly how it is that these Elliott waves work out. So on the first bull run, you can see we got Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we come back down, right? And then next we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what we expect to happen, right? Now let's dive deeper into these waves and to confirm that they are actually Elliott waves playing out within them. So here in the first one, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that plays out for the first wave. And then we got an ABC pullback, and then we get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we get an ABC, and then here we should get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now they're not always pretty and perfect, but you can see this is pretty much what's going on. And then next, an ABC, and we pull back, and now this is taking us from 2016 all the way to the bear market of 2019, right? And that concludes our Elliott wave for the first bull run. Well, 2017 bull run. And then next here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete the first Elliott wave for the 2020-2021 bull run. And then next we got an ABC coming back down. And then next we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the third wave. And then an ABC. And then we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete our fifth wave for the 2021 bull run, guys. And then an ABC to bring us back down to the bear market in 2023, which was June. So this would have been the optimal time to be buying altcoins this past year, guys. But if you haven't gotten in yet, and if this plays out the way that we're looking here, you're still not too late. I mean, you missed out this whole run, but it's still not too late. So next here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if we do what we've done before, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the first wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the first wave, technically we still got one more leg up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now on this first leg, on the first wave, every time it was before Bitcoin broke its all-time high, right? We had not broken out the all-time high back here. And then once again here, we had not broken the all-time high either. So this is based on Bitcoin not breaking its all-time high. But we are so close, guys. We are at $68,000 per Bitcoin. So if we do break the all-time high, it's possible that we're already over here, guys. We're in the wave that crosses the previous all-time high for Bitcoin. And that means that we crossed the previous all-time high for the dominance of this chart. And what would that look like? Well, potentially, we wouldn't have a wave like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is exactly what's playing out here. Sometimes you could have a larger time frame playing out here. And so that would look something like this. This could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And that would take us up here. And then maybe after this, we just have one more pullback and go up for a fourth, for our fifth wave back here. So this would actually be our third wave. Sorry, this would be our first wave. And then our third wave would be somewhere up here. But then we could have a truncated fifth wave. And let me show you what that looks like. You might not have noticed, but actually on the first bull run here, 2017, we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you notice how the fifth wave is lower than the third wave. Normally, that does not happen, but it is possible. Statistically, that is a scenario that tends to happen once in a while, which is like a black swan type of thing, meaning it's not very common, but you can see here a bull market truncation. That is exactly what happened in 2017 on this chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth wave does not cross the third wave, and then we come back down. So, and then on 2021, we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 play out perfectly. But then this year, if we do break into an all-time high here, this could be our first wave, and then we come back down, and then this would be our third wave, but then our fifth wave would be much lower. That's possible, right? And so ignoring this scenario and pretending that we will reject here or go sideways and then retrace, then that gives the altcoins an opportunity to run up to this next leg here. And then let's just keep going with what we have seen every time. What has worked every time is that Bitcoin does not break its all-time high until the end of the year. This could break and we could go to the upside here, but if that's the case, I'll make another video for that scenario. In this case, we're expecting potentially to have a rejection here at the all-time high and trend sideways, giving the altcoins a chance to catch up to the top of this first Elliott wave, and then we can have a pullback towards the end of the year here, guys. So the top of this first wave would be around April, May. It's not guaranteed. We don't know, guys. It could be April or May or even June, but then we could see a pullback all the way to the end of the year, right? And then from that, if that happens, guys, we almost have a confirmed Elliott wave starting out once again. And so that's all I have for you guys today. Let me just show you quickly how the rest of this Elliott wave would play out. Then we would get a ABC correction, then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the third wave, ABC correction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the fifth wave, and then ABC correction, bringing us back to another bear market in 2027, guys, with 2026 coming all the way down. And that is all I got for you guys today. Stay tuned. I will make a follow-up video to see how this plays out next. Take care.